Today, we're breaking down Notion versus Taskade, two popular productivity tools that look similar at first, but once you start using them, you'll notice they feel very different. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow. So, let's start with the basics. Notion is an all-in-one workspace, great for building custom pages, databases, wikis, and long-form content. Taskade is more about speed, real-time checklists, and super quick collaboration. Now, when it comes to the interface, Notion gives you a blank canvas. You can build pretty much anything, but yeah, it does take a little learning. Taskade feels lighter. You open a new project and you're ready to type right away. Next up, customization. This is where Notion really shines. You can create databases, filters, rollups, whole dashboards if you want. Taskade keeps things simpler with lists, outlines, and mind maps. It's more structured, in a good way. Collaboration is another big difference. Notion is amazing for shared documents and team knowledge bases. Taskade is better when you need fast, real-time teamwork, like brainstorming or outlining ideas together on the spot. And on mobile, the gap gets even bigger. Notion's mobile app has a lot of features, so it can feel slower. Taskade's mobile experience is super fast and perfect for quick task updates. For pricing, both have free plans. Notion just gives you more if you're working solo. Taskade's free plan is fine, but its best features really show up with paid team plans. So, which one is better? Well, if you want deep customization and complex systems, go with Notion. But if you prefer speed, simplicity, and real-time collaboration, Taskade might be exactly what you need. And that's the full breakdown of Notion versus Taskade. Hopefully, this helps you pick the one that matches how you think and work every day. Thanks for watching.